All right, y'all. This right here is 2016 Ford Escape. Uh, what we're doing, we're changing out the radiator. But to get to the radiator, best thing to do really take it to the shop, unless you know what you're doing. But you gotta take, as you see, the whole front bumper off. It's a lot of 8 millimeters and 10 millimeters to get that. You gotta take part of the fender off right here, the wheel well, to get the bumper off. Then you gotta take the headlights off to be able to remove this right here, because right up underneath that is where the radiator to get to it. But I'd have to take this part off from the frame. It's it's a lot to do. So if you got a 2016 Ford Escape and your radiator's leaking, yeah, you're gonna take it to the shop. You're gonna pay a pretty good bit of money. I think they were gonna charge my sister-in-law like $700-800. So I'm doing it for a little less than that. But yeah. Um, so yeah, if you see right down here, I got a tow bracket on there. Had to take the bumper off just to be able to tow it. She broke down twice. So I went and picked her up, attached my little car hauler to it. But to do that, I had to take the bumper off. So I mean, I already did half the work anyways. So that's why I said, well, I'll just go ahead and do the rest of the job instead of going to the shop with it. So yeah, and then besides, they may or may not have. They probably still would have touched it, but they probably want to put the bumper on, or they might have would have put it back on. I don't know. But yeah, being that I already started doing the work, I said I'll just go ahead and finish the job. So yeah, this is where we're at right now. 2016 Ford Escape. Radiator change, take it to the shop. But yeah, it's a lot of 8 millimeters, 10 millimeter sockets, and then for the headlight areas, gonna be some 13 millimeter. You know what I'm using now? I'm still using 10 millimeter. But this bolt right here, that's a 13. There's one there. Already got that one out. I mean, you can't get to it really without taking off the headlights, and you got to take the headlights off anyways to get this off. But anyways, y'all have a good one. I'll get y'all updated as I progress along with this. Yeah, go on, be blessed. All right, y'all, I got an update. I ain't got ready off yet, but one of the things you got to do also, they're gonna say you gotta take the hood off. You don't gotta take the hood off. Leave them bolts alone, unless you had nothing else to prop it up with. This is what I did. Took a 2x4, scrap piece of what I had. I put a Torx 25 screw through there, decking screw, 3-inch screw, holding on pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. Then you gotta take that off. That's the hood prop bar or whatever. And then this piece right here will come all the way off. What I did is I just let it sit up there. Everything's a lot of different connectors and stuff that you gotta take off. But I just set it up there for now. The reason why I'm stopping where I'm at. One, you gotta go to the bathroom. Two, get ready for work in a couple hours. You go eat me a little lunch and take a nap, or shower then take a nap. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. 2016 Ford Escape. Like I said, if you're gonna work on it, know what you're doing, be ready for a couple long hours. If not, take it to the shop, pay the money for them to do it. But yeah, y'all have a good one, be blessed. And if you got to tow it, get a tow truck. If you don't feel like doing the job, because if you can tow it yourself, you're gonna go ahead and take out the front bumper. All right.